Hello and welcome to this episode of Health Matters. Today, we're going to talk about alternative medicine and supplements. Many people turn to alternative medicine and supplements when they're looking for a more natural or holistic approach to their health. But, it's important to understand the risks and benefits of these products before using them. What is alternative medicine? Alternative medicine refers to a wide range of therapies and treatments that are not considered part of conventional medicine. This can include acupuncture, massage therapy, herbal remedies, and more. These treatments are often used in addition to, or instead of, traditional medical treatments. Benefits of alternative medicine. One of the biggest benefits of alternative medicine is that it often focuses on treating the whole person, rather than just the symptoms of a particular condition. For example, acupuncture can help relieve pain, but it also addresses the underlying energy imbalances in the body that are causing the pain. Additionally, alternative medicine is often less invasive and has fewer side effects than traditional treatments. Risks of alternative medicine. While alternative medicine can have many benefits, it's important to be aware of the risks as well. Some alternative therapies are not supported by scientific evidence, and may not be effective for certain conditions. Additionally, some alternative remedies can interact with other medications you're taking, or even be harmful if used improperly. What are supplements? Supplements are substances that are meant to be taken in addition to a balanced diet to provide additional nutrients or other health benefits. These can include vitamins, minerals, and herbs. Benefits of supplements. Supplements can be beneficial for people who have deficiencies in certain nutrients or for those who are looking for additional support for their overall health. For example, taking a daily vitamin C supplement can help boost your immune system and protect against illness. Risks of supplements. While supplements can be beneficial, it's important to understand that they are not regulated in the same way as medications. This means that the quality and safety of supplements can vary greatly. Some supplements can also interact with other medications you're taking or cause adverse effects if taken in large amounts. How to choose safe and effective alternative medicine and supplements. To ensure that you're choosing safe and effective alternative medicine and supplements, it's important to do your research and talk to your doctor. Look for products that have been tested and validated by scientific research, and make sure to follow the instructions carefully. Additionally, be sure to inform your doctor of any alternative therapies or supplements you're taking, so they can monitor any potential interactions with your other medications. That's all for today's episode of Health Matters. We hope this information has been helpful in understanding the risks and benefits of alternative medicine and supplements. Remember, when it comes to your health, it's important to be informed and make informed decisions. Thank you for watching.